Hi guys, in this video I will show you what are the top 7 trades with the most black construction workers in America in 2022. That's a question I asked myself recently, so in this video I will list the top 7 trades with the most black construction workers. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button below. The construction industry is one of the largest and fastest growing sectors in America. With an unemployment rate of 4%, it's also a great career choice if you're currently looking for work. But despite being such a diverse and lucrative field, there's still significant racial inequality in the construction industry, especially when it comes to hiring practices. According to data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, just 2% of construction workers are black compared to 13% of Americans overall. So what professions have more black workers than others? How can we encourage more people from underrepresented groups to go into this field? And how can we ensure everyone has equal opportunity when it comes time for promotions or raises? To find out more about these questions and more, along with some helpful advice on how to break into this exciting line of work, keep watching this video. The first on the list is carpenters. Carpenters are a common trade in the construction industry and they are in high demand. They can do many different types of construction work such as framing, roofing, drywalling, and flooring. Because of their versatility, carpenters are employed on a variety of job sites including office buildings, hospitals, and apartment buildings. The second on the list is construction laborers. Construction laborers make up about 5% of the construction industry. They are defined as workers who do the physical work of building and are usually the first to arrive at a job site and the last to leave. They're considered to be among some of the highest paid and most skilled tradesmen in their field, with annual salaries ranging from $40,000 to $60,000 depending on your experience. The third on the list is electricians, which is where I started my construction career and fell in love. Electricians are in high demand and they can earn a good salary. They work in a variety of different industries in roles that range from chief electrician to apprentice lineman. Electricians are also needed for electrical work throughout the country, so it doesn't matter where you live. You can always find a company who needs some help on their crew. Number 4 on the list, operating engineers and other construction equipment operators. Operating engineers and other construction equipment operators have the right skills to operate machinery, which is essential to almost any construction project. They are skilled workers who are in high demand. As a result, they're paid well and enjoy excellent benefits. Number 5 on the list are painters and maintenance. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, about 1 in 5 painters are African American or black. Moreover, most of them work on a team for a construction company or general contractor and usually earn by the hour rather than getting paid by the project or day. In California, painters can earn an average yearly salary of $48,260. Wages typically start from $36,000. Number 6 on the list, plumbers, pipe fitters, and steam fitters. They install and repair pipes that carry water, steam, air, or other liquids or gases. They also may specialize in installing heating and cooling systems like furnaces and air conditioners. They are expected to be the fastest growing occupation through 2026. It's no surprise that this job is on our list because it's one of the most common trades jobs for black construction workers. White men only make up 68% of all plumbers. But even so, black plumbers are only 9.7% of all plumbers. Number 7 on the list is roofers. The average salary for a roofer is $25.97 per hour in California. Roofers are in higher demand than most other trades right now. It's not uncommon for roofers to make over $57,000 per year and have job security that lasts for decades. The work is high risk, but the benefits are worth it. Those were the top trades that have the most black workers in 2022. The trades are an extremely important and vital part of the construction industry. They provide the manpower necessary to complete all types of projects, from residential homes to large office complexes. The wages for these jobs can be quite lucrative, especially when you consider that many people go into the trades with no formal education and come out with a career that allows them to earn well above minimum wage plus benefits such as health insurance and retirement plans. If you're planning on becoming a skilled worker yourself, or if someone close to you wants to get started, then this list should give you some insight into which trade might be right for them based on their gender identity along with other factors like race or ethnicity, all while keeping in mind that these aren't set in stone categories but rather guidelines based on averages across America's workforce today. Please like and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it.